I just think he's just rolled over there. This little yo-yo. Yeah, I don't really know how to do it. Then I've got this little stretchy man. This little ring. Two of these. And I have this, I'll show you how it works. And just open one. If I can find it. So what you do is you like slide it in here. And then you press these two and it flies. So here, got some more little squares to go here. Got another puppet, just square. Got this huge puppet. Got this little dog. Got this little squishy ice cream. I have this. Got one of these. Got a little dinosaur puppet. And I think I do have a smaller one in here. Somewhere in there. You got this little rabbit, pops up, and a carrot. Got this little heart. This one.